OpenKM software. Manage digital content, simplify workloads, and yield high efficiency. In this video, we will show you the new version of OpenKM Microsoft add-in for Outlook. In the upper section, we can see the OpenKM toolbar. To demonstrate the features of this add-in, let's import some emails into OpenKM. To do so, we can use the bottom panel that allows us to choose the path where we want to store the emails. Then we will select 2 sample emails and move them to the selected node. If we access the document management system, we can check that the emails are in the proper route. In the OpenKM toolbar, we have the Import button that allows inserting emails into the document management system. We insert a couple of emails again, we click on the Import button, and we select a node in which we want to store them. Then we press the Upload button. Now we see a small message confirming the message of the import. We come back to OpenKM, and if we refresh, we could check that the 2 emails appear in the DMS. The Microsoft Outlook add-in for OpenKM enables us to import email attachments. To test it, we will select an email with files attached and press the Import Only Attachments button. We will see a window that allows us to select files attached to the email. Once we have chosen, we can move to the next step to set the path in which we want to save the file. We can come back to the document management system to check that the software has stored the attachment. Now we will see how, from Outlook, we can send our emails alongside the file attachments stored in OpenKM. To do so, we click the New button, we add our recipient, a subject, and we can see the OpenKM tab that offers the option Add Attachment, among others. If we press this button, the application opens a new window from which we can select the files located in the document management system. This time we choose a Word file. We click the Select button and we can see that the email now has a document attached. The Configuration button allows us to set the characteristics of the add-in. The Intercept Attachment option detects attachments of the emails sent, so these files can be replaced by a link that will appear in the body of the email. We can use this option in 3 different ways. Never means that the Outlook add-in will never intercept the attachments of emails. Ask OpenKM will open a display window to approve the interception of attachments, and always that leads to their DMS always intercepting attached files. To test these features, we will select the Ask option. We create a new email, fill the address and subject fields. Then we add some text to the body of the message and select the Attach button to add a file to the email. We attempt to send it, and we can see the Outlook add-in intercept the attachment and ask the user if they want to replace the document with a link. If we select Yes, in this video we have sent the email to ourselves. If we update the view, we can check how the email appears in our inbox. If we receive an email in which the attachment appears as a link, we can click on that link and it will send us automatically to OpenKM, where we would be able to work with the document that is also classified by date. Another option of the configuration panel of the Outlook add-in is to add metadata to the emails. We'll select this option, then choose an email to import. Then we choose the path and we upload it to OpenKM. A pop-up window appears automatically that lets us choose the appropriate metadata group. We can add more metadata groups if we want, and when everything is complete, we can press the Finish button. We'll fill the fields and we click the Add button. It will display a window that informs us that the metadata has been added properly. If we come back to OpenKM, we can check that the email is there with the metadata group that we have just added. Thanks for watching this video, and for more information, visit our website, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Contact us by email at info@openkm.us.